Hey guys, welcome back to the One Family.
Another video. So in this video we're going to be showing you what we got from the London Eat Fest in London.
Yeah, in London, bro. London Eat Fest in London.
Okay. So
This is our guest.
Yeah, today we have a guest. Her name's Hazel. She's about 1.5 years old and she's a little cousin.
Yeah, she's a lolly.
So today we're gonna be opening all the stuff we got from the London Eat Fest.
We also got two of these.
Our street dumpling.
Yeah.
And I think this is a Nido. So first of all,
And a dino egg.
okay. So
Guys, look. First of all, I got this from the Eat Fest.
And
This is a Minecraft button. It's a chain and a button. So look, and look, it's going down, right?
Okay. So first, I'm gonna show you the dumpling.
It's opened by mistake, and it was this one.
Yeah. So in this one, every single dumpling is gonna be shiny, but the rarest one is the golden dumpling.
Yeah, golden.
By the way, I also accidentally saw the one in this.
Yeah, me too, bro.
Okay. So the one we got in this was the same. So now that's yours. This is mine.
Why, bro?
Then this is yours. That is mine.
But why, bro?
So we're gonna show you the other stuff. We got this. We got this bubble gun. Bubble gun, right?
I think so, it's bro.
Bubble gun. It blows bubbles. So we got two of these. Then we got this. Let's open this.
Okay. Bro, let me grab mine.
I got a purple one and he got a blue one.
We swapped it. We traded.
Oh, I opened mine.
What?
Press it.
You press?
Yeah. No, like that, not like this.
Like that? Oh, like that. Far.
Over.
Oh, I can't. Oh, it's still
Okay. Okay, let's show it.
Let's show them.
I got this.
Ow!
Let me open.
I got this one. I think you can see it. Let me do it.
I got it.
Oh,
This is what I got. It looks like a dragon.
Yo, Ziva, can you open it?
Ziva Api.
Okay, bro. She's saying Ziva Papi. But in my language, I say Ziva Papi. Thanks. Okay,
Now let's open this.
what's that? Oh, okay.
Needle.
Needle.
Put it out.
Okay. Hey, yo!
Needle.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna open this. Guys, he doesn't have a mic and she's so loud. I can't even think about it.
Okay. Wow.
Whoa! Can it touch?
No.
That's give me. Hey! Oh.
It's so fun.
Whoa! It's your win. Yay! Okay, guys. We got this.
Hey.
Guys, look. It's a chair now. I think you can't see it. Wait, let me do it again. Hey. Chair. Massaging chair. I'll sit on it.
Guys, make sure to watch our travel vlog part 1, and we're gonna post our travel vlog part 2 too, so make sure to watch that too. Here you go. And make sure to watch our other shorts and videos. We're gonna upload more. So that's it. This is all we got.
Guys, look, the dinosaur is sitting over here. He's like, I'm the bacha. He's the king right now. Mama. Rest in peace, this freaking ball. Squishy ball.
You're gonna break it.
Nope.